We have a serious unemployment issue in Kenya, and people have often been making jokes about selling their body parts. You know, personally, I've always thought that this thing is a joke. Now go with me one-on-one mpaka kule Eldoret, where a young man, 22-year-old Amon Kipruto, sold one of his kidneys in favor of $6,000 that he was promised. $6,000, if you convert it to Kenyan shillings, is around 774,000 Kenyan shillings. According to him, this was too sweet of a deal to refuse. So a friend of his convinced him about this idea, went to one of hospital in Eldoret where he was going to donate this kidney. Kufika pale yeye anasema hakuambiwa mambo mengi, aliambiwa tu sign hapa, isikae ni kama tulikuforce, and kila kitu itakuwa sawa. Aliuliza kama kuna health consequences, akaambiwa no, kila kitu itakuwa tu fiti. So mzee akasign tu yo document ya consent na akafanywa nini? Akafanywa surgery. So surgery commenced, and surgery ikafanywa na kidney moja ikatolewa. When it came to payment, this guy was not paid what he was promised. This guy is 22 years old, ameuza kidney yake, kidhani anaenda kupatiwa 6,000, akapatiwa $4,000 instead of 6,000. Guess what he did with the money? He bought a phone and a car. This car went and broke down. Now akaanza kuwa depressed. Akuli sasa, afanyi chochote, ako tu. Gari ndio hiyo haifanyi sasa, ikimbi. He is now depressed. Now he started developing abdominal problems kwa sababu alitolewa kidney moja. Na ukitolewa kidney moja, you are supposed to eat vizuri, unafaa kuwa on diet. Now mamake aka notice, hey, my son, what's wrong with this boy of mine? Akamchukua, akampeleka hospitali kwenye alifanywa scanning. Ikapatikana kwamba hana kidney moja. Mamake alikuwa shocked kwa sababu yeye hakuwa anajua. She wasn't aware that the son sold his kidney. This is a story that has been going on in Kenya, kumbe, for quite some times. There is a specific hospital that engages young people and vulnerable people in selling their organs, their body parts. And it's not just in Kenya. They come to a country, in a third world country, where they know people are extremely desperate. They give them a deal that is too good to refuse, and then they harvest their body parts. Watu sasa wamegeuka, wanakunywa tu pombe kwa sababu wako depressed, wako stressed. Ushauza kidney, pesa yenye ulilipwa haijakusaidia anything. Now you're just there, you're toast. Take a look at this story.
This is Amon Kipruto Meli, 22 years old, from a village in western Kenya.